If you're experiencing billing issues on LinkedIn Learning, follow these steps to resolve them quickly and efficiently. This guide will help you navigate the process to find a solution. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your LinkedIn Learning account by entering your credentials. Make sure you are using the correct email and password associated with your subscription. Step 2. Navigate to billing settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings by clicking on your profile picture. From there, select the settings option and then find the billing section to review your current subscription details. Step 3. Review billing history. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Escher.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update payment information. If you find that your payment method is outdated or incorrect, update your payment information. Ensure that your credit card details or payment method are current to avoid future billing issues. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists after reviewing your account and updating your information, reach out to LinkedIn Learning customer support. Use the Help Center or contact form to explain your billing issue clearly and provide any necessary details for assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing issues on LinkedIn Learning efficiently. If you need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to the support team for help.